Our company works hard to provide top quality service to our clients, so it's always exciting when we receive a positive review. We're excited to share this 5-star rating with you. A happy customer that leaves a review like this online ends up being a great repeat customer, and that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's so inspiring. But please, don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself when you work with our expert team. Attention to detail and our unmatched quality are our specialties. Call us today at the number on your screen, and thanks for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.